Wish you all happy Diwali. In this video I will show you some moments of Diwali. Now we are decorating our house with my younger brother. You know, on this day we worship Lord Ganesha, Lakshmi and Sri Rama. On this day we decorate our house with lamp to remove darkness. It is my favorite festival because on this day we will eat lots of sweets and I love sweets. This is my front of my house decorated by my brothers and me.
Seriously?
It is a rangoli made by my younger brother and he is a very talented guy. It is very nice. Wow, it's a very nice. He is my younger brother and Cutie my nephew. Happy Diwali. She's my chachi. Cutie. And he's my father.
Can I come in?
Yeah, you can also.
Hello Bhan, how are you?
Fine. How are you?
Happy Diwali.
Same to you.
Neeraj, do you like Diwali?
Yeah, this is my favorite festival.
Okay, sister, you?
Yes, of course. It is the festival of lights. I love lights very much.
Okay.
I like Diwali also.
Then, you know why do we celebrate Diwali?
Yes, it is the festival of joy, which means our Lord Ram, Sita and Lakshman returned to Ayodhya after completing his 14 years of exile.
Okay.
So, we celebrate this festival with joy and Ayodhya.
And Neeraj, you, how do you celebrate your Diwali?
Okay, first thing that is a festival of diyas, and we are
Okay, Neeraj, tell me, which home you are celebrating your Diwali?
I celebrate Diwali with my family, with my mother and my chachi and my sister, and also you can say my eagles.
That's great.
Yeah.
Will you give me a gift of Diwali?
What do you want?
As you wish.
Okay, I'll think about it.
But you should give me something.
Okay, now I am giving you my Ashirwad. Take it
Hey,
and enjoy.
we take our selfie.
You can also come with us.
Yeah.
Yeah, I join.